Hey, this is going to be a quick and short recording of an unboxing video. This is the Niimbot label printer. I bought this based on a recommendation from Omar Shaheen through his newsletter. It's a great product. I am not much of a label printer, but I've got these Z-Wave and Zigbee buttons that I've created for some of my home assistant, home automations, and I needed labels for that. So I tried this a few minutes ago and it worked pretty great. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. When you open the box, you get a USB-C charger. You don't need it for the first attempt. You get this cute little printer. This is the cartridge where you put in the label roll. It comes built in. You just have to pull it out a little bit and then just close it. Power it on. Let's see, hold and power, I believe. Okay, it's powered on. Now let us go to our phone. Let's open the app. It is trying to connect. It has connected successfully. Let us create a label. And you can see the phone app is pretty intuitive. You don't have to spend a lot of time trying to understand what it is that the app does. Okay, let's see. Let's create a label, and that's basically it. I'm just gonna hit print, and you will see that the label is gonna start. Oh, I didn't want to print 2 copies, but it is what it is. It's a pretty cool product, and you just stare it off and you've got your labels. So there we go. So this is a Z-Wave button that I have, and this is the Zigbee button. It does a bunch of things. You can see on the screen when I press 4, I think it'll do something. When I press 1, it's supposed to log a diaper change, and when I press 2, it's supposed to do something else. So hopefully it works, and that's about it. I really like the product. It's about like $20-25 on Amazon. Came in 2 days, and the printer cartridges are about $11 for 2 rolls. And I'm not going to use it a lot, but when I am, I think this is a very, very neat and very, very cool product. So that's about it.